Headed into the Biosphere, as you can see behind me. This University of Arizona built this, I guess. I don't know anything about it, to tell you the truth. I'm pretty stupid, but we're gonna go do learning things as day one starts. Crew's all here for the most part. Let's go inside and see what we got. Space Biosphere Ventures.
Oh, good. You see the trees all the way up to the top.
Entering Dr. Lex Biosphere's working area. This is where the mad scientists live. Ooh.
Like soil?
What is that? Are we supposed to be listening?
No, I think we could go somewhere to science somewhere.
Ooh. There's some science happening here.
It smells pretty good.
Biosphere tour done. Definitely recommend going and checking that out. This was actually really amazing and cool. Cool info, very interesting stuff. Definitely worth it. Not something I would normally ever do, and that's why I love going on these trips. But it's about time for driver's meeting. I'm gonna look at some people's trucks, and yeah, and then it's time to start trail day number one. All right, so we're at the trailhead. Apparently, this is a lot of pinstriping. I got my recovery gear strapped up. I'm a little sad because this is probably the last time that she's going to be so pretty. But as you can see, there's a lot of trucks lined up ready to hit this trail. So we'll see how it goes. about to have a slow off. Oh, we have a Le Mans start?
No, it's. I think it's a world trial.
Ooh. Ooh, I think Sean might win this one. Is your e-brake on? Finish line finish. Oh.
What kind of color ratios are we getting?
Now Sean set up my test everything and then get back.
I'm at 100, about 180 to 1.
180 to 1.
John, what are you at?
206 to 1.
So we have the automatic transmission versus the manual. So the torque converter's taking away some.
I just put it on top of the hill.
The spinning wizard wheel.
Go get a drink, come back.
But I start. It was like a solid 30 seconds with my dad.
Right, but you look how far out.
She's starting here.
To hopefully find it up more.
This race is riveting. I'm on the edge of my seat.
Science. This is the most exciting race ever.
I don't know who's winning this right now.
World's slowest car.
Yeah, I do think. It was.
All right, the question is, which one can you stop?
Oh, I don't know.
See if we can stop yours.
Oh, no.
Oh, I don't know. I'm totally stopping it. Oh, it's gonna be change. I gotta change my pants real quick. Well, we're closing down day one of this. This is the light part of the overlanding today. Real light camping. We'll say we're on a little ranch. We're right up the road from a zip line. So the zip line tour that we're gonna do tomorrow. I got the shift pod with the, we'll call it an annex for now. Shift pod with the annex, which is also something that you'd hook to another shift pod if you were going to be doing that. But it's pretty sweet. It's kind of, so you got the regular shift pod, and then this velcros to another shift pod, or you can have it as basically a wipe your feet off room with the kids inside. That's the regular shift pod 2 I think it is. But yeah, everybody's having some beers, hanging out. We got off the trail without any problems. Old Red did real good. Love wheeling with 35s. That was probably the first good trip I've been on 35s. So, but that's about it. We're gonna have a little barbecue. I think the cantina's open, so we're probably gonna have some suds and hang out around a little campfire over here. But I would call this a good day one on the Rogue Overland adventure.